Hello everyone, my name is Tanisha Vasti. I'm from Kanpur. I've also completed my 10th, 12th and graduation from Kanpur. After completion of the graduation, I was looking for a job in the IT field. So during this period, I have got to know about the Aviation TechnoServe. So I've joined it. They provided 45 days of internship program of job where they provide a crash course where I learned networking, CompTIA Network Plus, CCNA Basics, ITIL, Cybersecurity, Windows and Linux administrations, virtualizations, and basics troubleshooting steps. Also gain an hands-on exposure on the real-world things. After completion of the crash course, they also provide a live doubt session where you can interact with the teachers and gain the knowledge in the depth from which topic you want to gain. They will give you a proper knowledge about particular things. After this, they also provide a mock interview to develop the confidence in you and polish your communications also. After completing this, they schedule your interview for the multiple MNCs company. You got a call, and I've got a job through this process in the company Progressive Infovision Private Limited in the client company EXL. So it was a very good experience working with the learning with the Aviation TechnoServes. Thank you, Aviation, for your support and help. I am very grateful to you for providing me such a beautiful classes, good communications, and great confidence. Thank you so much. Thanks a lot.